What's up, everyone? I want to show you my fuel tanks I got here. These I got from Boyd's Welding out of Florida. Great tanks. This one here, I've had on for a while. I had this one custom made. This is their 26-gallon tank. Basically, the only thing I custom is I wanted a filler neck far away from the connections. And also, if you notice here, there's brackets, but not a bracket here, and there's a bracket behind it as well. I had them leave off this bracket here because I know I was going to put it close to the side of my rig here. This one here is my diesel. I originally wanted to put 2 burners on the truck. So there's a feed, another feed. This is the rollover vent that has to be on there. That's DOT. This is return and return because the burners need to return. This one here is my 26-gallon fuel. I got the rollover. This one goes strictly to the generator. This one here has a Y underneath the rig to run both the pressure washers. Now I got the 0 to 90 ohm setting units. And also, if you notice, there's a weld mark, just kind of like a bump in the middle. There's actually a baffle that goes in these here, so it doesn't slosh around. If you have it bolted to the rig, this here is basically grounded out, so I didn't have to hook the ground up. Hooked one wire here, goes down to the grommets there, through the floor, same as this one here, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the truck. All right, here's the truck here. We have 2 of them right here. They're real nice. It's a pleasure after hopping in the truck to see exactly how much fuel you have. It's always a reminder while driving. It's better than having the gauges outside. These I got off Amazon, they're like 29 bucks a piece. Everyone wants to know. These were, I think, 1,100 bucks to my door. Like I said, it had some, this was an upgrade. The roller event, I think, was like 40 bucks. And then a couple of these, the way it's configured and the way this one here is configured, was a couple dollars more. Great company, great quality. These things are solid. 26 gallons. Believe me, running that big burner here, 2 pressure washers, a 7,000 watt generator for the soft wash, can really suck up some fuel. This is one thing you don't have to worry about during the day. I highly recommend them.